I'm really cautious of people being lured by bells and whistles and all the fancy pants, all the fancy pants stuff, and not paying attention to what kind of riding and what kind of ski they're actually buying. All right. And I'll give you a good example. I personally love the Yamaha GP 1800R SVHO. I love the HO. I love them both. But I love them for what they are. I'm not fooled or blinded by all the stuff that Yamaha's put on there, by the digital dashboard and the Connect system, by the new sound system, by XYZ tilt steering, the new seat, blah, 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 blah. That does not blind me to what the GP is. And the GP, at its core, is a lightweight, closed course race ski. That's what the GP is. The GP is a lightweight, closed course race ski. All the lipstick and makeup in the world is not going to make that ski more comfortable, smoother, more stable, a drier ride, all that crap. It is still a closed course race ski. And I keep telling people this. I go, dude, this is a race boat. And the problem is that there's guys out there who go, I want a race ski. I'm like, you weigh 350 pounds and you're 6'5". And I'm describing a buddy of mine. He's 6'3", 300 and something change, goes out and buys a GP SVHO. And I'm like, what on God's blue earth are you doing? And he's like, dude, race boat. I'm like, you're going to hate this thing. Oh, no, it's great. I'm like, you're going to hate this thing. Oh, yeah, I'll take my son out. I'm like, you're both going to hate this thing. And he's like, no, it's great. Goes out. Man, this thing's fast. Oh, this thing hooks so hard. Oh, this thing corners so hard. Oh. How many hours you put on it? Oh, probably about 10. He's got 10 hours on the damn thing. Forked over some big money. And it sits on his dock. Beautiful dock. Takes a ski boat out. Why? Oh, the wife doesn't like the Yamaha. She wants to go out on the boat. Oh, okay. How come you haven't taken the ski out? Oh, the son likes to go on the boat. He doesn't like to go on the ski. Oh, okay. Just sitting there. Just sitting there. That's my point. There's a lot of guys get all jazzed up on something they think they want. They don't use half the features, or they get into a ski that beats the hell out of them, and they go, oh, I should have gotten something a little bit more attuned to my riding ability and to the environment that I'm riding it in. They don't consider that. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.